Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Up. Today I am going to share important MCQs for TSSPDCL JPO exams. Today's topic is Industrial Dispute 1947. Before going into this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share the video. Click on bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. My first question is, in which year did the act came into operation? Options: 1947, 1949, 1953 and 1963. Correct answer is 1947. Next question. To which settlement machinery can a central government refer the dispute under Rule 81A? Options: conciliation, arbitration, adjudicator, Supreme Court. Correct option is adjudicator. Next one. Before the Industrial Dispute Act was implemented in the year 1947, which act took care of industrial dispute? Options: Trade Dispute Act 1929, Royal Commission on Labour 1934, Labour Management Relation Act 1947, none of the above. Correct answer is Labour Dispute Act 1929. Next one. Choose the correct option that corrects states out the defect in the Trade Disputes Act 1929. Options: no restraint imposed on rights of strike, to render the proceeding unstatable under the Act for settlement of industrial dispute, solution to industrial unrest, all of the above. Correct answer is to render the proceeding unstatable under the Act for which settlement of industrial dispute. Next one. The bill passing Rule 81A has made two new institutions for prevention and settlement of industrial disputes, that is, work committees and dash. Options: Industrial Tribunal, Commission on Labor, Arbitration, Adjudication. Correct answer is Industrial Tribunal. Next one. The industrial peace is secured through voluntary dash and compulsory dash. Option: compromise and arbitration, adjudication and arbitration, work committee and industrial tribunal, negotiation and adjudication. Correct answer is negotiation and adjudication. Next one. Choose the correct objectives of industrial disputes. Options: to prevent illegal strikes, to promote measures for securing and preserving good relations between the employers and employees, to provide relief to workmen in matters of layoffs, retrenchment, wrongful dismissals, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Next one. Power has given to a dash to require works committee to be constituted every industrial establishment employing 100 workmen or more. Options: appropriate government, state government, high court, board of conciliation. Correct answer is appropriate government to require work committee. Next one. Which permanent settlement machinery has been mentioned in the act accountable for speedy and amicable settlement of industrial disputes? Options: adjudication, conciliation, arbitration, appropriate government. Correct answer is conciliation. Next one. A report of Select Committee on the Industrial Dispute Bill 1946 was published in the Gazette of Indian Part. Options: the part, fourth part, or third part, or first part. Correct answer is A, fifth part. Next one. On which date did the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 receive assent and came into the Statute Book? 1st April 1947, 23rd April 1936, 28th April 1937, 11th March 1947. Correct answer is 11th March 1947. Next question. Dash means an interim or final determination of any industrial dispute of any questions relating thereto by any labor court. Options: banking company, closure, award, and conciliation proceeding. Correct answer is award. Next one. Clause D of Section 2 of Dash Act defines khadi. Options: Industrial Dispute Act 1947, Payment of Wages Act 1936, Khadi and Village Industries Commission Act 1956, Industrial Relations Act 1964. Correct answer is Khadi and Village Industries Commission Act 1956. Next question. A person shall not be appointed as a presiding officer of a labor court unless he has presiding officer under any provincial or state act or not less than dash years. Options 2, 10, 5 and 15. Correct answer is 5 years, not less than 5 years. Next one, how many members does a conciliation board consist of as per appropriate government? Options, chairman and 2 or 4 other members, chairman and 1 more member, chairman and 5 or 6 other members, chairman and 10 other members. Correct answer is chairman and 2 or 4 other members. Next one, how many persons shall a national tribunal consist of which is to be appointed by a central government? Options 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 1. Next one. Which section in the Industrial Dispute Act discuss about the disqualification of presiding officer of labor courts? Option Section 7A, Section 7B, Section 7C, Section 8. Correct answer is Section 7C. Next question. What is the required minimum age of a person to be appointed in the office of presiding officer of a labor court, tribunal or national tribunal? Options 65 years, 60 years, 58 years or 50 years. Correct answer is 65 years. Next one. As per section 8, if a vacancy arises in the office of presiding officer or a labor court, tribunal or national tribunal or in a chairman office, in case of national tribunal, the dash and in any other case, the dash shall appoint any other person in accordance with the provisions of its act. Options, central government for both, appropriate government for both, central government and appropriate government, central government. Correct answer is C, central government and appropriate government. Next one. How many days of notice has been given to a workman by the employer in case of any changes to be made in the service conditions specified in the fourth schedule? Options 30 days, 15 days, 21 days, 45 days. Correct answer is 21 days. Next one. Which of the below mentioned in the duties of conciliation officer? Option, the board shall submit its report within 2 months of date on which the dispute was referred to. The court shall inquire that matters referred to it and report thereon to appropriate government within a period of 6 months. Where any industrial dispute consists or apprehended, the conciliation of office may, or where the dispute relates to public utility service and proceeding in the prescribed manner. And all of the above. Correct answer is C. Where any industrial dispute consists or apprehended, the conciliation office may, or where the dispute relates to public utility service and a notice under section 22 as given, shall hold the conciliation proceeding in prescribed manner. Next question. Where do labor court, tribunal and national tribunal submit their awards of disputes? Options, appropriate government, central government, employer, conciliation. Correct answer is appropriate government. Next question. What is the time period in which all the awards of arbitration are being published from the date of this receipt by appropriate government? Options, 30 days, 15 days, 7 days or 1 day. Correct answer is 30 days. Next one. If any declaration has been made in the relation to an award under the provision of subsection 1, the appropriate government or a central government within dash days from the date of publication of under section 17 make an order rejecting or modifying the award. Option, 6 months, 3 months, 90 days, 1 year. Correct option is 90 days. Last question. If the date of operation is not mentioned in the award, then according to subsection of 1 or 3, when the award put into effect. Options, 1 month after the date of enforcement, on the date of enforcement, 1 week after the date of enforcement, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, on the date of enforcement. That's all friends for today's video. Please check out links in the description on JPO related. For more content on industrial disputes, please check the PDF link also given in the description. And we have left out few questions on industrial dispute. Please wait for upcoming video. on this topic. Thank you so much, friends.